right, so prepare to be amazed. We've been promising you a bit of magic since the start of the
She
show.
won't disappear.
I'm not disappearing. You wish. Magician Kamash Dodd is here and he's going to impress us this morning, standing like a man at the beginning of a shootout. You know, this okay at the corral.
Zorro or Zorro. You call it Zorro? Zorro?
Well, I know. So you have a card pack in one hand with what you call this? What you call it? With pouch.
Holster.
With a lighter. Yeah. What's in the other?
A lot of magic.
Okay.
Land of Harry Potter.
Harry
Morning,
Potter
sir.
is into your
Morning.
pants.
Okay, March,
Okay.
Dodd, and a couple of his friends are here, Kenroy and Nicole.
Can't be a friend if you're going to make them disappear.
What you going to do for us this morning?
Well, I'll show you a close-up right now, so you can hold on to this marker.
Do I really want to?
Definitely.
I do.
Definitely.
Okay.
All right, now, you just take one of these cards to work with.
Pull out one?
Yeah, anyone.
You sure I want to do this?
Definitely.
Okay, just checking.
Now, sign your name on that card.
Sign it?
Yes.
Okay.
Card. Don't worry. Watch. All right. Open your hand. Open your hand.
Me now, man.
Let's hold it like this. Now, watch this. Close it as tight as possible. Ready?
No, I'm not ready.
They will magically switch places.
Well.
Now, check what in your hand. Check what in your
I'm
hand.
not checking it because you didn't.
Check it out.
Check it.
Dude.
Remember time going.
But he did not catch into my hand because
Well,
we take it out. Me now, well.
Well. Me know you can make her disappear. You're the greatest man I ever. No, man. Me know you can make her disappear.
Wait a minute.
You only have 4 minutes. What else are you going to do for her? All right, let's go. You only have 4 minutes.
All right. So thank you. You might want to step back at this
Yeah,
point.
I'll just
make
be
us step
over. Yeah. No, you have to ask me
She
twice.
disappeared. Me know what was going to happen.
All right, yeah.
No, sir.
This company is called Trickstars Production. Hey! Let me put under that still. All right then. There you go. You feel me or make me disappear?
She make sure look at she make the laugh.
We not see her again. That's a good look. So that's Nicole Dodd. Say goodbye.
Wait, now let me see. Oh. I had to figure it out. So actually we practicing everything.
What did you know yourself? Changed it.
Don't mess up our ear. You know, yeah. Take from me, take from myself. Never, don't go near it.
Oh, she changed her address.
Boy, I always try to figure that out, and I guess she's a magician for that one, right?
Fantastic, Bridget.
Yeah, man.
Kemart's done. Chick Stars Production and Kenroy Wallace and Nicole.
What I want to tell the viewers, Nick.
Yeah, alive? Okay.
Yeah, man.
All right. The World Championship, we told you already, hits the London track, August 5 to 13. And if you're heading that way next month, here's some sites to check out in our first edition of London Calling.
London Calling is brought to you